Hi everybody, it's Mr. Liu. This is page 117. Put on your thinking cap. Challenging practice. Complete each skip counting patterns. Alright, so let's look at number one. Number one, we got 70 going down to 63, counting backwards to 56. So we got to figure out what are we counting by and what are we counting back by. So let's look at 70. So if we look at the difference between 70 and 63, we know, well, we're counting back by 7, so we're going minus 7. Alright, so if you think about it, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, we're counting back by 7. And 63, again, minus 7 would be 56. So here we're looking at our 7 multiples, but we're going backwards this time. Now, if I know I'm going by my 7 multiples, let's just start over here and go forward and fill this in. So here's 7, 14, then I know would be 21 over here, 28, 35, then 42, 42, then 49, 56, 63, 70. Okay, that takes care of number one. Let's look at number two. Same thing, 80 back behind that to 72. Well, if we count backwards, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72. We know we're counting backwards by 8. So again, 72 to 64, we're also counting backwards by 8. So there we go. We know we're counting by our 8 multiples, but we're counting it backwards. So again, the easiest way of doing this again, let's just count our 8 multiples. Let's start over here and we'll count it forwards. 8, 16, here will be 24, then 32, let's keep going, 40, 48, 56, so 56, 64, 72, 80. And again, if you have a hard time counting your multiples, just draw 7 circles and count your 7 multiples, or in this case, draw 8 circles and then just count and write down your 8 multiples. Number 3, identify a number that does not belong in the group, then write the reasons. Use the number patterns to help you. So we're going to use these number patterns to help us. And if you look at this, 24, well, I see 24 right over here. 36, I don't see 36 anywhere here. 56, I see it over here. 64, well, that's right over here. 40 is right over here. And 72, well, that's right over here. So the one that does not belong, well, that would be 36. So the number that does not belong is 36. And the reason why is because the other numbers are multiples of 8. So the numbers are all multiples of 8, and 36 is not a multiple of 8. 36 is not a multiple of 8. Okay, so let's look at the next one. Okay, 49. I see 49 in my 7 multiples right here. Do we see 21 there? Yes, I do. 21. 32. I don't see 32 here. I do see a 35. I do see a 42. And 63. Well, I do see 63. So the number I do not see is 32. Okay, so the number that does not belong is 32, and because the numbers are multiples of 7. So the numbers are all multiples of 7, and 32 is not a multiple of 7. not a multiple of 7. Okay. And there you go. That's page 117.